JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we're talking about pink salt today, right here, this stuff. And the ingredients in this pink salt, this one's from Walmart, and it says Himalayan pink salt is mined from the mountains that stretch from the Himalayas to Nepal through the north of Pakistan, hence giving you it now world famous name of Himalayan pink salt. Add it to your meals, salads, and dessert. I added this as a drink. Okay, I had some wheezing going on, some coughing, and I mixed about a teaspoon of pink salt to water, cold water, and stirred it in, and I drank it. It was really good, and it did relieve my congestion, and also my wife's congestion. She had the same thing, and it worked. So, but the only thing that happened was, before I had done the pink salt, I had a meal of grated cheese and a salty meal. You don't want to do that. You don't want to combine two different salts with another salt like pink salt or Himalayan salt. What happened was it increased my blood pressure and gave me a little palpitation. So I highly recommend not using that, if you're a heart patient or you have blood pressure problems. So don't combine the salts, the iodized and the Himalayan. That was my mistake, but I found out, and that's why I'm doing this video. I have some notes here that I took off the web. Improves respiratory disease, balances your body's pH, reduces signs of aging, improves sleep quality, regulates blood sugar, which is a good one. It's important if you have diabetes. Increases your libido. I don't know about that, but we won't talk about that. But anyway, and how much pink salt should you have per day? Accurate consumption of pink salt recommends consuming no more than 5 grams, 2 grams of sodium of salt per person per day. So 5 grams is about like a quarter to a half a teaspoon of pink salt when you measure it out and mix it. Combined with, vitamin C and pink salt, and I say vitamin D3, those three, that would be adequate to fight a cold pretty well. I find good results with that. Just alone, it got rid of my wheezing that I had. So look it up on the web, different things you want to ask about pink salt, and you'll find the information there. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Have a healthy day. And take care. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.